Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by shutting down interference. Unplug external NICs and disable the wireless adapter so you can focus on the onboard device. Next, record your current IP, gateway, and DNS. Take a photo to avoid guessing later. Once done, open an elevated command prompt and device manager. You will use these tools immediately to reset software state and preserve driver files. This step prevents data loss and speeds recovery, so make sure those settings are documented before proceeding. Now you reset the protocol stack and sockets. Run netch int IP reset and netch winsock reset from the elevated prompt, then reboot immediately. Once back, open Device Manager and uninstall the problematic adapter. Only choose Delete Driver Software if you will load a fresh OEM package. After uninstall, reinstall the driver from the manufacturer or let Windows Update fetch a compatible version. Finally, verify the adapter reports proper link speed and duplex, so you know the physical and driver layers are aligned. Finish by confirming network configuration and testing connectivity. Check your IP, gateway, and DNS, then ping 8 and run ENS-lookup example. COM to separate routing from DNS problems. Make sure power management isn't suspending the adapter. Uncheck that option in Device Manager. If issues persist, swap cables and switch ports to exclude physical faults. As a key troubleshooting tip, boot a Linux USB live image to see if the adapter works outside.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.